Hey y'all, hey. So let me go ahead, get myself comfortable. I just wanted to come to you guys and at least do a video for today. And you know what? It just came to me after leaving work. I'm gonna do a video once a day. I know I've said that before, but like I'm actually going to publish this. So stay tuned. So basically, my video today is going to be about, because I got the two right here. It's going to be about travel. So I've always been fascinated by travel videos on YouTube. I've always went different places whenever I could, whether it was stateside or being lucky to have 2 passports. I utilized them. And I always wanted to do YouTube videos, which is always something I was afraid of. And even though I've done it a couple times, I'm still afraid of how I sound, how I look, my gestures. I talk with my hands a lot. And I gotta get over that fear. So let's go ahead and make a video once a day for my birthday month, August, okay? This video today is going to be about travel tips and tricks. In honor of my birthday coming up, I'm going to be 33 years young. I have about maybe 5 things I'm gonna say in this video that's just like quick travel tips that anyone should utilize, whether you are a solo female travel person or if you travel as a male solo. So for anyone really. Probably not for your kids. Now that I think about that, probably not for your kids. Okay, so I've mentioned this before in another video. TSA Precheck Global Entry. I think that is an absolute must and something that is definitely worth it. Research the country and area that you're going to. I just think, come on, like, you gotta know if there's an embassy there or not if you're an American citizen. Just saying. So that's 2. Number 3, I would say packing cubes or some kind of plastic bags. I always find that there's something that is necessary, and they come in handy when you have to wrap certain like products and stuff. This is not a product, but using it as an example, you have to wrap a product. You can just wrap it with a plastic bag, right? And the packing cubes are just necessary for when you are getting organized. What else is on my list? When you're going out, please do not stay where you're staying at. Always lie or try to like change your name if you can. Make up some kind of story. You're visiting family there. A digital luggage scale. I think that's something you can definitely use and really benefit from, especially if you're going to places like Europe and out of the country where having even a personal item or a carry-on bag can be too heavy for where you're going. So that's necessary. And a portable charger. Always make sure you have a portable charger with all the corresponding and necessary cords, because those are things that you are always gonna benefit from. So yeah, those are my tips and tricks that I just wanted to come to you guys and let you guys know about today. The rest of the list of the 33 items are going to be either linked below, if I could just have like a bio link with some of the items that I'm going to discuss in my list, the 33 items, and of course the tips. It's just a lot easier for me to link it below, and then when I get my blog site up, I am going to share that with you guys. Okay, so bye. Come back tomorrow for more tips because I have to do this for a whole month.